Hey guys, welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to speed up Windows 11 for gaming. So if you're looking to maybe reduce your latency and overhead, reduce your CPU cycles, and make sure that your game runs more smoothly and more stable, I'm going to show you a few ways to achieve that. So let us start from the very basics. Guys, go ahead and open up your control panel. Alright, right over here. Then in this window, guys, go to Hardware and Sound, Power Options, and in here, just make sure that you use the high performance power plan right here. After that, guys, you can also go into the changing the plan settings, advanced power settings, and in this little window, make sure that you go into your sleep, USB settings, and make sure that your devices are not disabled after some time. Then you go to processor, and in here you set the minimum and maximum processor rate to 100%. After that, let us close this and I'll show you once more the other thing that you can do. So just open up your settings, go to System, then go to Display and open up Graphics. In here, you can just enable optimizations for Windows games. This will reduce the latency and may even bump up the performance a little. And then what else you can do is you can just add the games that you want to play. In here, you can just choose Add Desktop App. Add it, and then when it's added, you left click it like this and choose high performance instead of power saving, or let Windows decide. And that is it. These are the ones I recommend. Also, guys, I almost forgot, enable also the game mode. There you go, game mode, and enable it here. That is it for this one. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.